Soft plastic packaging plays a vital role in ensuring the freshness and protection of food and various products. The challenge is to keep it from landfill. Residents are providing plastic to a facility in the Melbourne suburb of Dandenong, where a proof of concept trial is turning soft plastic back into oil. They place their soft plastic into orange bags supplied through the AFGC's National Plastics Recycling Scheme, or NPRS trial. The residents then take their bags and put them in the yellow-topped bins for curbside collection. They're taken to the APR sorting facility where they're baled, and the bales, like this one behind me, are brought here for the soft plastics trial. The bales contain end-of-life soft plastics, chip packets, bread bags, wrapping for confectionery or foods. And through this technology, with support from Viva Energy and Amcor Flexibles, are given a new life. So Logan, what do we do here? What are we looking at?
So this is our visual representation of our circular solution. So here we have our aggregated feedstock coming from our sorting facility. For processing, we then have to pre-treat the feedstock, and that is shredding and drying and removing any moisture. From there, we use our advanced recycling facility to then convert it into oil. From there, the oil then gets sent to Viva, and Viva will then polymerize that oil into pellets, which you can see here. From there, it'll go to Amcor. Amcor will then package it and get it ready for downstream market.
The message from those involved is that recycling works.
Recycling is not going to landfill. Recycling is coming to facilities and being processed, and soft plastics that have an obsolete nature, we can turn them back into food grade packaging, and we want the help from the residents to make it work.
The AFGC also wants local government to become involved.
Yeah, local governments, they're the gatekeeper to the feedstock to the advanced recycling plants. So there may be a few stages away on the supply chain, but we need them to collect the material from the households so the advanced recyclers can convert it back into packaging.
The AFGC plays a coordination role on the NPRS, which has been designed to help companies that put packaging onto the market meet the national packaging targets. It has two key aims.
One is an increased recycling rate of soft plastics, which is currently low, and the other is to enable access for the members to be able to order food or pharmaceutical grade recycled content for soft plastics.
Trial partners are confident in its potential and in the ability of the NPRS to close the loop on the soft plastic supply chain in Australia.
I think the soft plastic supply chain has two gaps. One is obviously oil production, and the APR plastics are bridging that gap. But very importantly, the collection of these soft plastics needs to be organised, and there needs to be a systematic approach to it. And the NPRS is doing that through its activities and advocacy and design of that system.
The trials have been excellent. They're really demonstrating that we can have a feedstock that can actually go into making circular resins for soft plastics right here locally in Australia. My hopes for the future is that we're really going to have a vibrant circular economy for soft plastics coming out of the NPRS.
APR Plastics says with support, recycling could supply food-grade soft plastic packaging nationally.
What will stand in our way is capital. Capital is very much required to upscale this bit of equipment, and we believe that once we get this started, the momentum will push this along to be able to go and expand it into other states.
The project is so positive, it's so satisfying. Not only are we creating a circular economy which is local to Australia, good for manufacturing, good for jobs, it's brilliant for the environment.